Have you ever wondered how scientists measure liquid volumes with such precision? The secret lies in a simple yet essential tool, the measuring cylinder. Introduction. Hello, aspiring physicists. Welcome to Mind Over Physics. Today, we're exploring the measuring cylinder, a fundamental tool for accurately measuring liquid volumes. What is a measuring cylinder? A measuring cylinder, or graduated cylinder, is a tall, cylindrical container marked with graduations for precise liquid measurement. Common sizes range from 10 ml to 1000 ml. What is proper usage of measuring cylinder? 1. Placement. Ensure the cylinder is on a flat, level surface. 2. Pouring the liquid. Pour the liquid carefully to avoid splashes. 3. Reading the meniscus. Align your eye with the lowest point of the meniscus, the curved liquid surface, to avoid parallax errors. Let's see how we can measure irregular objects by it. 1. Initial volume. Record the water level in the cylinder. 2. Submerge the object. Gently place the object into the water. 3. Final volume. Note the new water level. 4. Calculate volume. Subtract the initial volume from the final volume to find the object's volume. I hope you understand about measuring cylinder. Conclusion. Mastering the use of a measuring cylinder is essential for precise experiments. Thanks for joining us on Mind Over Physics. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more physics insight.